When I was looking for a space for my wife, who's a dermatologist, I came across this space, and I was very, very inspired with the serenity of the area and at the same time not being very far away from the center. This was actually an empty terrace, which gave me an opportunity to design and visualize this office. The time limit that we set ourselves was about 45 days to do this entire job. The use of materials, they are lightweight, they are prefab. We didn't need a crane to lift any of these materials. So if you look at the entire office, there is very little paint that's gone into this whole office design. There's no excessive use of any material that is not natural over here, just raw and reflect the beauty of the material itself. The space itself is all recycled furniture. And coming back to sustainability, the few other factors was no use of air conditioning, and hence airflow was going to be a very important factor. What we've created here is a double roof, which creates a convection current. So you have the main roof, and then you have another roof on top to ensure that there's no heat gain in the building, making it much cooler. And all we need is a few fans for a few months of the year. The rest of the time, we actually do not even require a fan in this office. The name for the modular prefab home is Zen. It came about from just the sheer challenge of having to build in remote areas, and it has everything that you would need in a little getaway home. And that's how Zen came about. I would say my courtyard space in the center of the office, where everyone comes together, where I get to interact with the whole team. But I actually like every little part of the office, especially when I'm gazing out into the green.
One of the best things about the studio is that we've been given the liberty and freedom to work on projects, and it sort of helps because we bring our own sort of signature to each design, and Anshul sort of oversees that, so there is a bit of sanctuary and a bit of us as well in each design.
As you know, as a fresher, when I started off here in Sanctuary, I got to do a lot of creativity, work on a lot of creativity with materials, with aspect with this design work, and he's been a great mentor to me as well.
Yeah, I mean, something that I would spend any amount of money on is experiences. I make sure that I travel a lot. It inspires me to get better as an architect. Just freeing the mind and sort of being able to think clearly and get that sort of fresh perspective and aura that brings you back almost every time fresh and new. Staying young, basically.